What's up, YouTubers? It's my first ever unboxing video and my first YouTube video. Let's see what we got in this thing. Taking my Ginsu blade, chopping it up. Alright, let's see what's popping out first. We got one of those pocket grinders with a 90s tattoo design on it. Looks like it belongs on an Averex leather jacket. That's pretty cool. We got some stickers, like I hear we get every month. We got the Buddabox logo. We got a 420 7-Eleven sticker. I think this is another Buddabox logo, I believe. I'll see that out there in YouTube land. 420, keeping it 100 emoji style. We got the Joker Toker from, who's that? Something Bucks 420 Novelties. Don't know shit about them. This is pretty cool. That brings me back to the poster of the parental advisory logo that people used to have in the 90s. Then here's the how to get your mega box. Hey, Buddabox, I see you. Your customer service is terrible. Send me a mega box. What we got here? We got one of those humidity packs, keeping your bud nice and moist so they get all dried up. Never heard of this brand before. Got some pamphlet about CBD water. Get those by the 24 pack sooner or later. We got a 6-pack of raw cones, thank you. These are going to be done in a week. We got a clipper lighter. Always use those. Got some hemp wicks. Got some type of pipe. That's a pretty cool looking one. Nice looking little piece. See that over there?
Little bubbler.
Little bubbler. And then we got a pack of Afghan hemp rolling papers. That's it. Buddabox, send me my freaking mega box.